I'm Milo, and I want to tell you why I love the iCamper. I feel the sleepiest after a long car ride, and I'm happy it doesn't take my dad a long time to set up because I'm ready to jump in bed. And look at this bed, it's so roomy. I can roll around this whole area. This fits me, my mom, and my dad. And did you see the windows? I love that there's so many. There's one here, here, and even here. The door is awesome too because I can smell the outside without even having to go outside. And most of all, I love the iCamper because my parents love it too. Thanks for watching. This is Christine and Alan from Toyo X Venture.